I'm Jason Conway from Conway Legal, and we represent employees. You'd think being in the 21st century that employers would do the right thing and pay workers properly. But that's not always the case, and we see that routinely. We work on primarily three types of cases. One's called misclassification, which is typically a low-level manager who might be classified as exempt from overtime. But the work that they do is really the same as the hourly type workers. And what it means is you should get paid overtime if you work overtime. Another type, which happens routinely, is off the clock. The law says that you need to be paid for the time that you work. The third type of case that we typically see is an individual that has been retaliated against for complaining about working off the clock or complaining about being misclassified. We represented two landscapers that work for a small landscaping company, and they weren't being paid properly. And unfortunately, one of the workers complained to his boss about it and was ultimately fired. They asked if they had a case. I said, "You bet you do." And we sat down and we talked about the plan for moving forward. And what ultimately happened is we filed a lawsuit. The company complained, the company objected, the company defended. But at the end of the day, they knew it was wrong. And we ultimately settled that case. We've recovered millions of dollars. We've been very fortunate to be able to do that, to practice on the right side of the law, and to really identify companies that have done things wrong. I always say to folks, try not to be a sheep, try to be a fox, because this is a time when you can speak up. Conway Legal, fighting for workers, period.